All right, guys, Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, topic is Dish Network, DirecTV. Common question we get, hey, I'm looking for a service provider, which one should I go with? Dish Network, DirecTV, both great companies, both have their own value. What I would consider is that if you're looking for specialty programming, NASCAR Hot Pass, NFL Sunday Ticket, NCAA, any of those specialty content channels, really DirecTV is going to provide more of that. They're going to have more of those special programs that you're looking for. They're also just going to have more content overall. They have more 4K channels. They have just more overall content. That's really where they're focused. Dish Network, typically from what we hear from our clients, Dish Network, typically better customer service, more reliable hardware, and overall their just product tends to work a bit better than DirecTV. Again, both of them are great, but when you're looking at them, I would look at them from that light. That's what we hear from our clients. Both of them bring value, but really, Dish Network is typically a little bit less expensive. DirecTV is typically a little bit better content. So keep that in mind as you're making that decision. All right? Thank you guys and have a great Tuesday.